Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, we're doing etouffee today. We're doing crawfish, right? We got shrimp, we got onions, we got celery, we got bell pepper. Guys, we got a bay leaf, we got some garlic. Guys, everything will be listed down below. This is a Kenneth Temple recipe. I'm gonna kind of change it around for myself. But guys, let's get started. Let's get to the pan. All right, guys, so our pan is hot. I'm going down with a little bit of avocado oil, right? Then I'm going down with some butter. And then guys, I'm hitting it with some shrimp. I'm gonna cook my shrimp now. Just gonna go ahead and hit these with a little bit of Cajun seasoning, not too much. Give these a flip. Hit it with a little bit more Cajun seasoning, guys. Flip them over. Second or two on this side, guys. These are coming out. All right, next we're gonna go in with our onions. I'm using a sweet onion. All right, that seems like it's enough. A little more avocado oil. All right, guys, now I'm coming in with our bell pepper. And now celery. And guys, I got some langostinos. I'm gonna put that in here too. I just thought of that. So these are little lobster tails, guys. Get them from Costco. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out the pan, and let's get started on our roux. All right, guys. Well, our hand is starting to get hot. I'm going in with a half a cup of oil. And that's just the vegetable oil. All right, guys. Our oil is starting to shimmer a little. I'm going in with some half a cup of all-purpose flour. So half a cup of oil, half a cup of flour, right? That's equal. And we're just gonna keep stirring here until we get to the color that we want, guys. Sometimes I like, if I see a little bit too much oil, I will add some more flour. So let's just keep this spinning. Guys, this seems a little loose to me. I'm going in with a little bit more flour. That's probably too much flour. Yeah, this is more the consistency I like. Looks like more like sand. So I'm gonna say I went in with a 3/4 of a cup of flour. See how it looks? You can do that and pulls away. All right, so now we're just gonna take this to the color we want. All right, guys, we're right about there now. And remember now, this looks like almost like sand, right? This is what you want. And this will turn on you real quick. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna turn the flame off, and I'm gonna get some chicken stock. All right, guys, and now I'm going in with our chicken stock. Now this will flame up on you, so be careful. That's why I turned the flame off. Right. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go in with our veggies. Or our holy trinity, right? We're going in with our holy trinity. And guys, this is thickening up way too quick for me, right? So I'm going in with a little bit more chicken stock. Turn this down. A little bit more water. And guys, you gotta cook with your senses, right? If you see it thickening up, add a little bit more water. Alright guys, now, at this point, you can make it as thick or as loose as you want. Now I wanna let this go 10 minutes, come back and check it. And want these vegetables to just soften up a little bit. So we're gonna come back, check it, see where we're at. If we need to add water, we will. But we're gonna let this cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll bring you guys back when this is done. Guys, I almost forgot to add the seasoning. 1 teaspoon of pepper, white pepper, right? 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of thyme. Guys, our bay leaf. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You guys, 1 teaspoon of our Cajun seasoning. Use your favorite. This is mine. Stir this up. Now we'll come back in 10 minutes, taste, and check for texture. Alright guys, it's been about 10 minutes now. Let's give this a taste. Try and get some of these vegetables on there. Now this is what we look like. And let's see what we taste like. Guys, this is good. You know what I forgot to add? I forgot to add a garlic. Not that much. I'm gonna give this a spin. That garlic in there. Maybe just a little bit more. Alright guys, I'm gonna come back in another 10 minutes and let this intensify just a little bit more. Alright guys, so here's our little baby lobster tails, right? They're going in. These are already cooked. We got our crawfish. This is also already cooked, right? That's going in. And then we got our shrimp. Give this a nice little spin, guys. All right, I just want to heat this up, guys. So let's say another 3 to 5 minutes and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys, we're there. We got seafood in our etouffee. Right, we got little Lastingo lobsters. All right, guys, it's time to plate this baby up. Guys, it's time to put our plate together. Let's just go down. Make sure we get some shrimp. All right, guys, we're there. And this is dinner. This could be lunch. Right? And guys, this etouffee is like a cross between a soup, right, and a meal. Because I mean, it is delicious, guys. Let's get into this baby. All right, guys, I'm just gonna get a little bit of that crawfish right there. Okay. Yeah, this is so good. Let's go in. Get our little lobster, a little Stingo lobster. Guys, like, subscribe, right? And now I just got a little bit of heat in the background from that Cajun seasoning. Let's get some of this rice. Guys, guys, like and subscribe. This is delicious. Everyday cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.
You can run, but you can't